Hello everyone, I hope you are feeling so good. This is Mustafa Saadi, a technical consultant, and I have more than 10 years of experience in software engineering and IT field. And I have too many published applications and games on different stores. You can check my website saadi.com, sa3dy.com for more information. Today we will talk about top passive income ideas with examples, real passive income ideas. This will be a series of videos since the video will be too big if we talked about all ideas in one video. So this is part 1. Let's skip this introduction and start our video. The first idea today will be creating and selling an online course or ebook. The basic question now is what are the steps to do this? And here is the answer to your question. First, choose a topic or a niche that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. This will make it easier to create content and market your course or ebook. Research the market to identify the needs and desires of your target audience. This will help you to create a course or an ebook that meets their needs and is more likely to sell. Create high quality content for your course or ebook. This could include video lectures, written materials, or quizzes, and other interactive elements. Choose a platform to host your course or ebook. There are many options available now, such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable, which will allow you to create and host and sell your course or even ebook. Market your course or ebook through social media, email marketing, and other online channels. Reach out to influencers and bloggers in your niche to help you to promote your course or ebook. Continuously update and improve your course or ebook to ensure that it remains relevant and valuable to your audience. Price your course or ebook competitively and offer discounts or promotions to attract new customers. All of this, you must keep in mind that creating and selling online course or even an ebook requires a lot of effort and time. It takes patience and persistence to see results. Let's go to the second idea, which is building and monetizing a niche blog. To do this, we will follow these steps. Choose a niche or topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. This will make it easier to create content and attract more audience. Research to the market to identify needs and desires of your target audience. This will help you to create content that meets their needs and is more likely to attract and retain readers. Choose a content management system, CMS, to build your blog. This will simplify the mission. WordPress is a popular choice for bloggers as it's easy to use and customize, and I think you will go with the free one, and WordPress is free. Then we need to create high quality and engaging content for your blog. This could include blog posts, videos, infographic, and other forms of media. Optimize your blog for search engines, as known as SEO, by using relevant keywords, metadata, and meta tags, and other techniques. Promote your blog through social media and email marketing and other online channels. And you can reach out the influencers and bloggers in your niche to help you to promote your blog. Monetize your blog using various methods such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even AdSense, Google AdSense, and digital products like ebooks and courses and webinars. Continuously update and improve your blog to ensure that it remains relevant and valuable to your audience. And you must again keep in mind that building and monetizing niche blog takes time and effort, and it's important to consistent your content creation and to be patient as you grow your audience and income. The third idea today is starting an e-commerce store or sell on Facebook Marketplace or Amazon store. To start an e-commerce store, you will need to choose a platform to build your store on, such as Shopify or WooCommerce or BigCommerce and so on. You will also need to select a domain name and hosting for your website. Once your store is set up, you can add products and configure your payment and shipping options to increase visibility and drive traffic to your store. You can also use digital marketing tactics such as SEO, social media, and advertising. And to sell on Facebook Marketplace or Amazon Store, you will need to sign up for an account and creating listing for your products. You will need to provide information about your products such as pricing, shipping options, and photos. You will also need to comply with the terms of service for each platform. These platforms also have fees for selling. You can check them before decide to use them. Once your product are listed, you can use the platform's marketing tool to promote your products and reach a wider audience. The fourth and the last idea today is building and monetizing a niche YouTube channel. Choose a niche topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. This will make it easier to create content and attract more audience. Research the market to identify the needs and the desires of your target audience. This will help you to create content that meets their needs and is more likely to attract and retain users. Or here we can call it viewers. Create a YouTube channel and optimize it for your niche. Choose a catchy channel name and a professional channel art. Create high quality and engaging video content for your channel. This could include tutorials, reviews, vlogs, and other forms of media content. Optimize your videos for search engine SEO by using relevant keywords and meta tags and other techniques. Promote your channel through social media, email marketing, and other channels. And you can also reach out influencers or bloggers in your channel niche to help you to promote your channel. Monetize your channel through various methods such as YouTube partner program, sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, and digital products like ebooks and courses and webinars. Continuously update and improve your channel to ensure that it remains relevant and valuable to your audience. And you must keep in mind that building and monetizing a YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's important to consistently with your content creation and to be patient as you grow your audience and income. And now here we reached the end of our video, so I hope that you found it useful to you. Till we meet again, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment to support us. Feel free, reach out with us on any of these communication channels you can see on the screen. So goodbye.